Hey guys, part 1 of the snowstorm, since a snowstorm is currently happening. So yeah, but sorry, my house is changed like a lot because I had to delete Toka because it wasn't letting me in my first floor. So yeah, but I really like this kind. Oh yeah, I don't know who, but on Tokagora's channel, she does like bathrooms like this. I didn't like watch her video and do it, but like kind of credits to her for this, I guess. But only that part. The rest is all my idea, none else. But yeah, let's get into it. Enough yapping. Okay, let's go. Oh, it opened. Okay. So guys, I will take questions for why Allie has crutches, but yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much about it right now. Okay. Oh, well, we kinda have to go upstairs now because nothing is over here. Oh my gosh, it is snowing really hard. Oh, I meant to do that. That's not good. Okay, wait, pretend this is a phone. Here's my phone. We're just gonna call your mom and see if she's gotten the... Oh, Nevaeh's cold. Oh, it is really cold. Oh. Oh, sorry, Nevaeh. Okay. People, please put on your heating! Okay. It's out. Turn it down a little. Okay. It's cold. Where's the thermostat thing? Oh, it's right here. Oh, perfect. Oh, don't mind. Okay. Oh. Okay, perfect. Okay, let me ring up your mom. Hello? Hi. Why are you calling me? You never call me. Is that everything okay? Yeah, have you gotten the kids from school? Yeah. Oh, no. What time is it? It's 3:50. Oh my gosh, school ends school ended like 4 minutes ago. Well, 5 now. But, yeah, you kind of need to get them. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, it's snowing really bad. Oh my gosh, how are you not cold? Well, we're in the slow-mo supermarket right now. We haven't gotten anything. And then Allie just standing there like an NPC. We haven't gotten anything. But I messed with their thermostat because it was first really cold, then really hot, then cold again, and then I made it perfect. Oh, okay. Well, I didn't need the background story. Anyways, well, I have to go get the kids, and I'll try to hurry up as much as I can. Okay, same. Nevaeh is, like, still really cold, even though it's perfect, and it's literally our house temperature right now, but whatever. Oh, okay, wait, you have Nevaeh? Yeah, she's really, really, really cold. I feel so bad. Anyways, bye. Bye, love you. Love you. Oh my gosh, I hope she's okay. Close. Okay. Okay, I don't think we're gonna be able to get anything. Oh, wait, we need to get stuff. Never mind. Part 2 of Snowstorm. Oh my gosh, it really is cold. I don't know what. It's fine. Oh my gosh, it's fine. I can just go out in this. I got this. Actually, wait, I found my coat. Never mind, it's not mine. Brace myself. Oh my gosh, it's so cold already. Okay. Oh, wait, okay. Pretend this is a phone. Scrolling on TikTok. Oh my gosh. None of these videos are like funny. I need to check. Turn off stupid phone. I wasn't even talking to you, Siri. Oh my gosh. Let's see. These kids are still sleeping. I hate that we accept all kinds. Like, all kinds. Like, why do we have an octopus? Yeah, feel good. Did someone say my kind? Do they need me to chop off another leg? I only have 6, and I need 8. Whatever, I'm going back to sleep. Ding ding dong, ding ding dong. Great. Let me just... hide my phone. Turn that on. Okay. Hope it's the Hope's. I hope it's Hope's family. Ding ding dong. Ding ding dong. Shut up. I know you're there. Hi. Hi. Can I come in? Oh, of course. I guess. Oh. It's not Hope's family. Jeez. That was rude. Oh my gosh. It is cold out there. Okay.
Wake up.
Oh, okay. You come here. There you go. I think she... Sorry. Guys. Wrong one. I need the other one. Get back to sleep. Okay, let's go. Did someone say let's go? Let's go. Let's go. I love the earth. You are the earth. I love the rocks. You are a rock. I love the puppets. You are a puppet. I love the octopuses. I don't know. Octo things. You are an octopus. I love the pizza.
You are pizza.
I love the robots. Good for you. Oh, guys, we're switching spots. Get to sleep. I do not know what this was. I don't know. Why do you guys accept all kinds? Like, literally all kinds. Why'd you wake us up, by the way? Your mother's here? Why else would I wake you guys up? What is that? Hey! Oh, hey, have you not been listening to Don't Touch What's Not Yours? Like, oh my gosh. I need... Okay. Here, that's the website. And also... I did not mean to do that. And also... You guys need to learn how to cook by yourselves, so here's that website too. Okay, your mother's outside. It's cold and yeah. Excuse you. Yeah, I came in before. And we have to, oh yeah, you guys do have to stay. So sit. I'm not sitting. Okay, I'm just gonna, okay, what did you guys learn today? Oh, they learned, I'm talking to my kids. Okay. Bro, I was scrolling on TikTok the whole time. Okay, well. What did you guys learn today? And what are those papers? Oh, mine is the website to her channel, her TikTok account, her YouTube channel, her Instagram, and her X. What is X? Oh, you mean Twitter. Okay, anyways, okay, why do we need that? I don't know, she said it's educational, and also we
Need to follow it.
Oh, okay.
Or else.
I'm not done.
Or else go to timeout forever.
Who went to timeout?
A lot of people.
Oh, sorry, a lot of people. Oh, what's yours, Cade? We're calling him Cade, guys. Wait, no. Because that's Norella's person thing. Dog. I'm kidding. We're gonna call him Caden. Yeah, because my brother's name's Caden. No, Mason. No, yeah, this one's Mason, and the other new boy is Caden. Yeah, get into it. And they call him Cade. Anyways, Mace, what do you have? Oh, I have this book. It is she said we need to start learning to cook ourselves, and to take that, and it's a website of, like a cooking website. Okay, wait, one sec. Take these. No.
You take them.
Okay. Excuse me. What? When did you find out? What do you mean? Nothing. Yes, ma'am. Why are you not cooking for my children? You said they need to learn how to cook. And also, don't say threats to them. Go man. Sorry. Okay, bye. Everyone gets there. Part 3 of the snowstorm. Ugh, I hate giving a speech. Hi guys. Hey girl. Hey. Oh, except for them. And him, because he doesn't like him either. Ooh, who farted? Oh. Whoops. Anyway, so today we are going, today we learned about,
Stop talking.
anyways, we learned about our colors. So, in this preschool lesson, blah, blah, blah. Okay, they get to leave. Oh my gosh, it's stank in there. Oh, I know. Oh, I just stepped in a mud puddle. Oh my gosh, why did you guys wear short sleeves? Oh my gosh, it is so cold. Oh my gosh, come in. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Oh, oops. Why is it so cold? Oh my gosh, it's really cold. Let's put on a fire. Oh my gosh. Guys, even put that on. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Just sit, everyone sit by the fire. Don't sit. You can sit in front if there's enough space, which now there isn't. Oh, all his glasses coming off. Yes, you can go right there. No, you're blocking the whole thing. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I need some. Oh my gosh.
Ariana, move!
Hey, jeez. So cold. So cold. So. Pretend it's like a power fire. I mean, like, you know what those are? Like, where it's not a real fire. It's like, I don't know. It's not real fire, but it goes off. Like, yeah. Wait, guys. What just happened? Power went out. Oh my gosh, power out. Okay, guys, pretend they're like shivering. I'm getting annoyed by that. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, everyone, go upstairs. Let's hope. Okay, never mind. I know it's not gonna be working. The elevator will not be working, so I just someone needs to go to the attic and get it. Kaden, can you? No, I'm not going in the attic. Babe, can you? Really, I have Nevaeh. I can take her. Perfect. Thanks. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This thing is taking forever. Pretend he's like on the stairs. Okay, I'm finally here. Okay, so, oh my gosh, we have so much for this day. So we all need, I need a box or something. Don't mind background noise, by the way. Oh my gosh. Random bags just came. Oh my gosh, stop. I'm gonna fill this one first. I'm just gonna fill a lot. Like, a lot. Just with, like, all of it, not. Oh my gosh, this is already full. Like, we all need a bed and a sleeping bag, so I think I need a little more sleeping bags. Okay, next one. I'm just gonna try to fill it all in these, so yeah. Okay, last two. Here, let's bring it over here. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's take them off him. Oh, guys. There. Okay, we have it all in here. Now I just need a. Oh, we have this. Okay, we can try to fit it all, I guess. Please, one more. Oh, yes. Okay, now I'm just gonna throw it down the stairs. Now me. Ow! I'm sitting here. Ow! It's Nevaeh. Oh my gosh. Who's throwing those down? Ow! Ow. Ow. Oh, guys. It's both of them. Guys, wait. Everyone sit on the couch with me. Oh, let's pretend they couldn't walk. Wiggle, boom, 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 boom. Actually, no. You didn't see anything. Oh my gosh, who did that? Guys, who did that? my gosh, sorry. I did not mean to make that happen. But just take 2 suitcases, everyone. Just make all their hands full. Okay, everyone have one? Well, at least I can. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's go. Where are we even going? To our shelter house. We have a shelter home? Yeah. Who doesn't these days? A lot of people. Oh. It's not the best thing ever, but it's something. Come on, guys. It's cold out there. Very. I don't feel like putting on the email. Okay, finally. And there's light in here, so it's just a little light, but it's still something. And if you guys don't want to sleep with sleeping bags and a thing, you guys can sleep on that chair. So, yeah, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 9 people. Okay, so I needed to 1, 2, 3. Okay. 2, 3. Okay, we're just gonna keep those in there because don't care about them right now. Okay, we have 3. Oh my gosh, guys. 3, 4. Come on, hurry. 4, 5, 6. Bro. 6 and then 7, 10. Okay. And then we need 2 more. 8. Okay. Everyone gets their own. Oh, wait, I'm putting my stuff down. Okay, everyone be careful and just don't worry about anything, okay? Everyone take off their glasses and go to bed. Okay. Oh, guys. Oh, Nevaeh was bald. She's touching. She's bald and she's touching people with hair. Sorry. I have to. Oh, Nevaeh is so cute. Get in the bed, Nevaeh. Okay. We have 1 extra then. He fell asleep with. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get this. There. Stop it. Nevaeh keeps stealing it. Well, pretend she has one. Oh, she does have one on. Okay, I'm stealing one though. Okay, I'm going over here then. I would do that one. In the morning. Guys, wake up. Wake up. What? Wait, why do they look so alike, bro? I can't tell them apart. I think this is Ari. Yeah, it is. I know it is. Can't take that. Okay, and Nevaeh is still sleeping. The news is on. Oh my gosh. I don't care about your news. You do right now. Get up, Mason. Okay? Okay, I'm listening. We're listening. Oh, it's safe for us to go out? Okay, well, Nevaeh's keeping that on. And we can just keep... Why didn't we keep all this stuff in here in the first place? Oh my gosh. Guys, I can't see. And I can barely walk. Oh, that's the dad's. Oh, hold on. Here are your crutches. Thank you, Mom. Here, babe. Thanks. Okay. And we're leaving all of this here. Except for Nevaeh's. Because, you know, she needs it right now. Oh my gosh, stop laying down. Oh my gosh, we have to get up. Oh, guys. Sorry about my brother's very loud music. But that was the snowstorm. Sorry it felt a little rushed. I didn't mean for it to be. But yeah, bye.